In my last video, I was talking about how sick I have been and I couldn't figure out what was wrong. Today I'm talking about the red light therapy and how it absolutely changed my life. Okay, so I was to the point where I was just catatonic, could not do anything, went to the functional medicine doctor. She told me I had toxic mold and SIBO, and I was not getting better after being on the program for 6 weeks. And so we decided to cut back, and I decided to add in red light therapy. Now, I've tried hyperbaric oxygen therapy, and I was like a new person, but I was going every day for an hour, laying in the tank for an hour. And while that was helping, it just was a huge amount of time. So then I did glutathione IV shots, and that really helped a lot also, because apparently my body does not get rid of toxins out of it. And so basically I was just poisoning my body over and over again. Well, when I got the glutathione shots and the hyperbaric, it helped push that stuff out so that I was feeling better when I was doing those things. But as soon as I stopped, I didn't feel better. So this time I decided to try red light therapy. Heard a lot about it, had a friend who has Hashimoto's, and she said, oh yeah, it's totally changed my life. So I decided to go ahead and give it a try. The first day I went, I was like, wow, I think I can actually get up and go clean something in the kitchen. And our house isn't a total pit by any stretch of the imagination. I have boys that have been helping out with all of the chores, thankfully. But Mike's been down with knee surgery since April. I have been down and can't really function for a long time. And then one of the guys has been having some very serious medical problems also. And so even though the other one's been holding down the fort, we haven't been getting a lot done around here. And so anyway, it's been pretty frustrating, so I decided, okay, let me try the red light therapy because maybe that will do something. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. So the first time I was like, oh, maybe I can go in and get something done in the kitchen. The second day, I was like, wow, I can actually think. So I was still not having a lot of energy, but I was able to sit down and at least get some business stuff done, like get through my emails. If you've emailed me and I haven't answered, I'm really sorry. I just have not been able to do anything. So then the third day, I was like, whoa, I think I could finish my bedroom project. So by the third day, I had energy. I got in, I started my bedroom makeover in January. Had not been able to get it done. I got my bedroom makeover done. And then I went out and I started working on my garage, which had turned into a pit. If you guys saw that video, I reorganized my garage. And I spent a full week and a half, 2 weeks, I can't remember, but a lot of hours, 6 and 8 hour days, when it was 107 degrees, 100 degrees, 102 degrees. It was hot. Cleaning my garage. I mean, that's like an absolute miracle. I got my garage completely organized, a place for everything, got rid of all the stuff that I don't need. I've been selling stuff right and left on Facebook Marketplace. And so then I was like, wow, my garage feels so good. Maybe I can get the big garage done because everything's just been dumped in the big garage. And every time we have to go move a pallet of books out, we have to move the wagon, we have to move the wheelbarrow, we have to move all my fall decorations, move all my Christmas decorations, because literally everything was just getting dumped in there. So I went and with Dave's help, got the big garage done. 2, the next week. So that's the second week. So the third week of going into red light, I was like, okay, wow, this is great. I'm loving this. So I finished cleaning up my laundry room, and then I went in and I cleaned my basement. And my basement was a pit because I just kept dumping all the Christmas decorations, dumping all the furniture that I had rearranged. And so my basement, I didn't get before pictures because honestly, guys, there's a part of me that would like to share all of my life with you guys, but then there's another part of me that's just like, do I have to film every single thing in my life? I really don't. There's a part of me that wants to, so you can see what true frugal living and growing rich looks like, versus, okay, I don't need to film every single thing in my life, you know? So I haven't figured out how to balance that yet, and I'm just totally disappointed in myself that I didn't take a before picture, because it's okay.
What's up, YouTube? Today
Would you like to say hi to YouTube World, Dave? Be careful, there's a itty bitty deer there. Right here.
Oh, that's so cute.
Are you leaving?
Maybe, I don't know.
Okay. You have your car keys and you don't know if you're leaving?
If DoorDash is really good, I might leave.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh shoot, now I lost where I was at.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine.
My bad.
No.
My bad.
You see him?
Oh, cute little.
You used to be a cute little guy like that too, Dave.
I'm sure. Oh, the parents is right here.
Yeah. Oh, is she under here? I heard her rustling around
Yeah, she's
under the tree.
Yeah.
Can you get a picture of her? Send it to me. She's laying under my tree. Do it horizontal and I'll put it in my video. Thank you. Just text it to me.
Okay.
Okay, I forgot where I was at. And so my basement has been driving me crazy since we moved here. Like absolutely crazy, because I got this retro couch that I absolutely love. And it was only 20 bucks at a garage sale. And I absolutely love it. But whenever everybody's here for Christmas or Thanksgiving, we don't have enough sleeping places for everybody. So I need the couches for extra sleeping arrangements. So then I bought this other couch. It's kind of a grayish color. And I got that just for a sleeping couch because I actually got that one first. And that one was $200. But then I found the retro one that I just loved for the looks. I was like, what am I going to do? And so I had them facing each other and they just completely clashed. I could not get any sort of decorating done in the basement at all. And I haven't really decorated. I've just kind of put a few things up. But I was able to at least get my mind clear enough after 5 years. I've had these couches 5 years because I got them the first year we were here. 5 years of looking at these couches driving me crazy, trying to figure out how can I decorate with both of these couches, because I kind of need them both, but I don't want to ask the guys to bring in another couch and buy something else that will match better. I was able to totally rearrange my whole basement so that I have the retro side and then the blue side, and it doesn't really clash. I mean, I think it looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. I mean, yeah, I could do more to decorate, but until I can get the energy and find the stuff. And I got this / shelf thing that I really love, that's retro too, that I wanted to hang above the fireplace. I could not figure out how to hang it above the fireplace. Finally, I got it figured out how to hang it above the fireplace. So I got that up after like 3 years. I mean, I just got everything done in the basement. I got the guest bedroom cleaned up downstairs, my / art room. So I got it all cleaned up. I got the stockpile room all cleaned up from just dumping stuff down there. So now I can get in there and get the food used up that I need to use up. I mean, I have just had energy out the wazoo. And all it is red light therapy. It's just you go under a red light. Now you can get at-home kits. I went to the tanning salon and they had one there that they changed a tan bed into a red light bed. And so you just get into the tanning bed and you just pull the pod down and you just lay there for 20 minutes. And then it's really relaxing. You just lay there for 20 minutes with your eyes closed. And it's really super relaxing. And then you just get out, and some people have more energy and some people are tired. Just depends on your body. Well, I was doing great for 3.5 weeks. And I mean, I was cleaning, I was getting stuff done, I was going for it. And then all of a sudden last week, I just crashed. And I was like, what is wrong with me? I was doing so good and I was so disappointed. Well, it's been a week now and I still haven't recovered. And I thought, okay, what is it? Is it the smoke from all of the fires? Because we've got fires in Washington and Utah bringing us smoke. We've got 4 fires here in Wyoming. One was just 10 miles from our house. Got some up at Devil's Tower and then some out west too. And it's just, the smoke is everywhere. Today's actually a really clear day. And so I thought, well, maybe it's the smoke. Well, last night I Googled it because I was like, okay, something is not right here. Well, so apparently the red light kicks your metabolism in and helps you get rid of all of the bad stuff in your body. It's called oxidative stress. I have no idea what that means. I need to research it more. But anyway, that's what it's called. And so what's happening is because my body is feeling better and it's able to process and get rid of all those toxins out of my body, on top of this special diet and all these supplements and everything that the doctor's been doing with me, my body just hasn't been able to get rid of it. So what happened was my body was clearing out quicker with the red light than my body could handle processing, clearing all that stuff out. Because I'm going to buy a red light kit at home. Now, what it is I went to the tanning salon, my tanning salon here, because 4 of my family members are going. That's how much it helped me. I'm like, you got to go try this. We're having Mike go for his knee. We're having my son go because he's got some very serious problems where they're not sure if he's got Crohn's or not yet. So we're trying to get his inflammation down. And then my mom's been going to see if it will help her chronic fatigue syndrome. And none of them have been feeling as good as I've been feeling. But I have noticed that with one of them, it has actually helped improve the mood, the anxiety, that kind of thing. So because so many members of my family are going in, and I had my friend go too, I get it for $75 a month and I can go as many times as I want. I've been going every day for 20 minutes and just laying there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 3-day break and then I'm going to go every other day and see if that will keep the energy up, but not slow down my progress and hopefully feeling better. You can get red light kits for a home. And they have a great big panel. The problem with the panel is you can only do one side at a time. And so you have to do like 10 or 20 minutes on one side and then flip and do 10 or 20 minutes on the other side. They have sleeping bags. And the problem with those is they don't do your head though. So then you have to either get a special headpiece to do your head, or they have a sleeping bag that's a lot more expensive with a little head thing that you can put the red light on. And it helps with hair growth, helps your skin and all that. So it'd be kind of nice if I'm going to be doing all this to get, some beauty benefits from it too. So, anyway. Sorry. Okay. I'm just seeing all these wasps flying all over the place. And I'm just like, okay, are one of you guys going to sting me? the wasps this year have been absolutely horrible because we had no winter this year and nothing died. So anyway, back to the red light. You also can get little panels, so you can like get just for your face, just for your head. If you need to grow your hair, you can put it on your head. If you do it on your face, you can do it on your face. If you like my friend has a thyroid problem, so she's putting it on her thyroid. Another person has problems with their abdomen, so with their interior body. And so they put it over that, and it's supposed to help get your mitochondria going and help start healing from the inside out. Now you have to make sure that you have the right red light. You have to have 630 and 850 together. The 630 does the topical stuff and the 850 does the interior. It's supposed to get down a few inches into your skin and really start doing your skin. So my hope is that it will help with my fibromyalgia and start helping with my muscle pain. It has not done that yet, but it's only been 4 weeks since I've been doing it. So the other thing is you have to make sure you get a medical grade one that's FDA approved. There's a lot of knockoffs. You will not find one on Amazon. If you find one on Amazon, more than likely it's not going to be good enough. But there are several places that you can get. This has helped me so much that I probably will get one that has an affiliate, because I know people are going to ask me about it, because it has absolutely changed my life. I went from literally laying on the couch, not able to do anything, to up and cleaning my entire house and organizing it in a month. I mean, that's like, I've never had that much energy for the last 38 years that I've been sick, ever. So I'm thinking if I can get this mold and SIBO killed, then maybe this can help clear up some of that also. And then I could maybe start feeling like a normal person, maybe. I don't know. I literally have no idea what it's like to feel like a normal person, because it's been 38 years. I got sick when I was 16. I have no recollection of what it's like to feel normal. So I don't even know what that would look like. But if you are having problems, it is worth looking into red light therapy. Now, what I did, because I wanted to try it before I bought a home light, was I Googled red light therapy in my town, and that's how I found it. And then I just went and Googled what are the specifications for red light therapy, and I just called and said, okay, is this the specifications? Because you have to have the 630 and the 850 lights, and then on the tanning beds you have to have the right kind of acrylic, so the acrylic doesn't block the red light. And then you just go lay in the bed and just get as naked as possible. I just go in a tank top, and I have some shorts that I just scrunch up because I want to get my lower back. My lower back is always hurting. And so I just scrunch those up really tight. And a tank top, and so the majority of my body is covered. So stay tuned. I will let you guys know how my red light goes long term. Please go watch this video next, livingonadime.com.